Hello there, family friends. If you're from Karcher World, Joey Jones is off the road. But first, let me say congratulations to all the ones that passed and got the CDLs. And I got a lot of emails. A lot of people passed. A lot of people are enjoying it. A lot of people are driving by themselves. A lot of people are driving with their mentors. Let me say that I'm ready. I'm happy for you. I've been praying for all my viewers and all my families, and all my friends and everybody that's, that's been following my channel and subscribing to my channel. This video is going to be something different, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to avoid truck wash. So then I'm always coming up with crazy ideas. So then what I want to share with you is something that I came up with. So right now, let me show you something that I purchased here, and it's the Karcher K3 1800 psi. And this portable item here, it's of course is electric power wash, and I'm going to show you. It's this right here, and it's really nice and really easy to assemble. It's not that bad at all to put it together. So then what I'm trying to mention here, and what I'm trying to get to the point, is that I'm trying to make my own car wash, my own truck wash, rather than spending $80 to get to the car wash and have it to wash your truck. So my idea was to do it myself, to have it portable. So now, what brought my attention with this unit was that this unit, you don't need to be plugged in from the garden hose. You don't have to have the pressure from a garden hose plugged in straight. So my idea was to buy one of these tubs, and that right there is the 55 gallon drum. It's plastic, and all I did was just went online and I ordered the spigot for $15 for the spigot. And all I did was drill a 3/4 inch hole right through there, put the spigot. Then I went to Walmart, purchased this, and then I went I got some old curtain my wife had, and I just folded it in half. And then, as you can see, it's not leaking or nothing. And then all I did was just filled it up halfway. That's basically what I did. And then what I wanted to do was take that tub, put it in the back of the car, go to the truck, and wash both vehicles. That's my idea. Put that in the back of the truck, fill it up with water, and then wash two vehicles. Wash my vehicle and then the truck. And then the reason there that I purchased this, because this one right there works with the garden hose or out of a tub, a tug, or a pail. And then all I did was just went to Walmart, got this hose for $6. Got that for $6. Plug that in. It's not leaking. And then juiced it up real quick. Boom. And let me show you how it works. And then see, right off the tub. Straight out of the tub. So my idea was, again, take that my vehicle, take that to where I park my truck, because sometimes in neighborhoods they don't allow you to take your truck to where you live. So then I take that over to the truck and I power wash my car and my truck. Look at that. Look at that. Put a pressure on that. See that? That's what brought my attention. So then I can carry that with me. I can do my truck and my vehicle and save $50. You know what I mean? And then this unit right here has 2 settings. So you can switch out the tip. Push it in, turn it. And here we go. The next one has 2 settings. There you go. And this one is like a swirl. Again, people, the video is different. Just looking out for you guys. See, there you go. I believe the hose is like 20 feet. See, right off the top. Check this out. Look at that. They don't call me Joey Drones for nothing. All of a sudden, what's this? Look at this. What do you think about that? Now, this unit right here was $120 on eBay. The spigot was $7. No, the spigot was $15. I'm sorry. This was $7. The hose. This was $2, and all it did was just put a piece of a curtain. And then the tub, got it for $10 with the lid. So what I do is I fill it up to like about there, take it to where I park my truck, and do both vehicles. See what I mean? So again, people, this is a different video, and I'm just sharing with you that right there. Perfect. You can't beat that. And of course, you can plug it into the garden hose, which doesn't make any difference. So yeah, it's supposed to, see, uses less water, and then it's up to 35 times pressure of a garden hose. Yeah, without a garden hose. So this is pretty decent. 1800 psi. So there it is, you know. So I'll keep you posted, and we'll do some more videos on my truck. So yeah, I'm excited and I'm happy that I just came up with a bright idea. So don't forget to drive safe, be safe, fly safe. God bless you all. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.